Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. In order to add friends on your Rocket League game, you will need to add them first on the Epic Games Launcher. So open up the Epic Games Launcher on your device and then proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the store page. Now in order to add friends, click on the friends icon at the top right corner. You will now be able to click on the plus icon to add friends onto your profile. Within the search box, just type in the name of your friend, and once you find their profile, you can click on it and you will see the Add Epic Friend option. You can click on this button and this will send a friend request to this user. Once this person accepts your request, you will become friends with this person on your Epic Games account, and you will also see them within your Rocket League Games friend list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends onto your Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.